In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can invest in the S&P 500 right here from Nigeria. Now, when I found out about this, I was like, there is no freaking way this is even possible. I mean, like, how come nobody has ever made a video about it? I'm sure most Nigerians would queue to want to invest in the S&P 500, including me. And I've always been looking for ways to do that. But unfortunately, because of the country we are in, it is very, very inaccessible to us, which is why we just invest in the regular stocks. But I recently found out about an app that we can use to invest in the S&P 500, which I'm going to be sharing with you in a bit. So if you want to find out how you can invest in that S&P 500 right from the comfort of your home, right on your mobile phone, then you want to stick around with me until the end of this video. Also, if you find this video helpful at any point in time, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a huge thumbs up by clicking on that like button down there so that this video can even reach a wider audience. So let's get right into it. What's up and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adeshalami and I'm a YouTuber and a content creator based in Ibadan, Nigeria. I'm not going to waste too much of your time, so we're just going to jump right into the video. So the app you want to use for this is called Trove. I've made a couple of videos in the past where I talked about Trove. Trove was actually the first investment application that I ever tried out as a Nigerian. Oof, that was needed. And I absolutely loved it. Okay, I found out that we can actually invest in the S&P 500. Now, the S&P 500 I'm talking about here is not the index fund type, but the ETF type. Okay, we have the S&P 500 index fund and we have the S&P 500 ETF. Okay, ETF is also known as exchange traded fund, right? I would advise that if you're not following me on Instagram, you should do well by doing so, because I've been sharing a couple of reels that would probably help you understand most of these finance terms even more, like an entire playlist regarding mutual funds, ETFs, and individual stocks should probably be up by the time we are watching this video. Okay, so make sure you follow my Instagram, linked in the description box, and at Adeshalami. Okay, just type in Adeshalami. There's only one Adeshalami on Instagram. Yeah, right. So what I'm talking about is the S&P 500 of the exchange traded fund type, not the index fund type. And the app that we're going to be using for this is called Trove. Like I said, Trove is an OG. It has been in this game since like forever. All you need to do is download Trove, and I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description box. If you use my code, if you use the link to download, you would get free shares. I really can't remember how much free shares you will get, but I'm sure that you will get free shares when you use the referral code. It used to be free shares of GTBank and Dangote before, but now they even give you Apple, Nike, Tesla. They can give you any shares. All you have to do is download Trove, like I said, and it is loading. So let's just wait for it to come up. So before we move into the old Trove app, I quickly want to run you through what ETFs means. And this basically means a type of funds that pulls money from multiple investors, okay, to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. So when you buy an ETF, you have a little bit of everything. You have a little bit of Apple, a little bit of Tesla, a little bit of Microsoft, but it's obviously going to be picking what is best for you and what is currently making the most money. Okay, now with stocks, and I always say this, I'm not a financial advisor. All of my videos are strictly for educational purposes only, but you also want to try as much as possible to make your own research. If you don't feel comfortable by this, or you feel like this is probably not the best or the right thing to you, then you don't have to do it. Nobody is going to put your head and shook your head and say do by fire by force. Now let's go right into the app. Trove, right? Okay, so I'm just going to open my Trove account. Link in bio, link in the description, and all you have to do right here, pretty simple, is okay, because I already made some research. You can see it here. All you have to do is type in the S&P 500. Done. Okay, as you can see, we have the Vanguard S&P 500 Value ETF. We have the Growth ETF. We also have the basic ETF here. Okay, basically I would always advise when you want to invest in ETF to go with the one that has to do with Vanguard. Okay, because Vanguard is just up there, right? I don't want to go into much details as regards to Vanguard and the whole story of Vanguard ETFs and index fund, right? But for index fund and ETFs, if I would want to invest, I'll typically go for Vanguard, and which is why I'll be investing in the S&P 500 from Vanguard as well, because as you can see here, there are other S&P 500. We have the SPDF, we have the RYT, NOBL, but I mean Vanguard is the one that I would be going for, right? So you can choose any one of these you want, but I will also advise that you go through it like I said. So for this, in between this, let's see this one, this VOOV $147. Jesus, the network is quite bad. So 32. So this is the Vanguard S&P 500 Value ETF. This is the Growth ETF. This is a small cap. You can just invest in anything that has to do with Vanguard, but I'm always in between this VOV and this VOOG, right? So I'm just going to do this one, and all you have to do is click on buy. Now, because I'm filming this video at an odd hour, this is currently 11 p.m. and the market is obviously closed. So it says the US exchanges is currently closed. However, you can still make pre-market and post-market trades. Would you like to enable this feature? Yes. Yes, I understand. Up to successful, you can now place your order. Now, all I have to do is click on buy right here, and I can buy market, buy limit, pre or post market order. And just do buy markets, $10. Okay, I'll be charged 0.5 service fee. Okay, it's loading. Alright, swipe to buy. It says market close. The market you're attempting to trade is currently closed. Order will not be executed until market is open. Continue trade. Tap to review order. As you can see, I just received an email. Your order for VOOV has been received. Thank you for your order and all. Swipe to buy. Continue trade. Okay, so this is my receipt. This is how much share price I own. This is the quantity of shares I own. This is the share price. This is the service fee, and this is the total. So I have successfully placed an order of $10, but I was charged 50 cents for the service fee. Okay, so that's pretty much how you can invest in the S&P 500 from Nigeria. Like I said, this video is strictly for educational purposes. It is very, very important that you make your own research before investing in any kind of stocks, shares, bonds, real estate, or anything. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video, and if you find this video helpful at any point in time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up, so you can reach other people out there. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedé